Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to pay Emirates NBD credit card bill through ATM. So the process is very easy. First of all, you'll need to go to an Emirates NBD ATM. Wherever you find it and whatever which one is near you, just go to it right away. So of course you would like to insert your debit card if you are planning to pay with the card. Then you'll have to enter your PIN, type your ATM PIN basically, click on confirm, select the card payments, and of course make sure to choose payments. Then you would like to choose your credit card payments. You can enter your credit card details and you should be good to go. You can just enter your credit card number or select one link from one link card if you have available there. Of course, you can then choose your payments method. You have the option to pay with your selected bank account. Enter the amount and you should be good to go. The other option is to pay with cash. You can, as example, deposit to your account, your cash example that you have right away. So normally once you choose the server or the service, first of all, you would like to use utility payments to pay for the credit card before, as we said before, or for the NBD credit card bill. And if you didn't find any money that you have in your bank account and you want to pay with like cash, you'd like to insert or eject the card just by clicking on the X button on your dashboard. The card will go out, then you'll have to put it back in, enter the PIN, and choose deposit to account. So choose deposit to account, deposit your cash. Your bank will have now your cash money. You can go back and insert your card again, enter your PIN, choose your payments or utility payments, and choose to pay for your NBE credit card bill. So once you do that, just choose to pay from your bank account, and you should have the money that you deposited through cash if you choose cash, or if you have cash. If you already have money in your bank account, you don't have to go through all of that. So once you go with that, just the system should normally go through everything else. You can just check the details before everything and confirm the transaction, wait for your receipt and take the receipt. Always take the receipt and keep it as a proof that you paid for the credit card bill. And of course, the processing time usually instant or same day. Sometimes this may take up to 24 hours, so don't be alerted if nothing happens immediately. And yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.